Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news and
Kelly Khumalo, who is the singer and was dating the late Senzo Meyiwa, is in hot water after Advocate Teffo has been arrested. Advocate Teffo is currently representing the Meyiwa family and has managed to question one of the witnesses that revealed interesting information about the night Senzo Meyiwa was killed. People have reacted after Advocate Teffo was arrested today, and they're dragging Kelly Khumalo and believe that she is somehow involved. And they want her to be cancelled. One Twitter user wrote, "When are we going to cancel Kelly Khumalo as a country and everyone else? WHO was in that house that night." Someone also said, "If anything happens to Advo Teffo while he is behind bars, we know exactly who to blame." MAKUNYIWE once. Becky Seal, Kelly Khumalo and their saps must fuck of #SenzoMeyiwatrial. Another one also said, "We told you that Kelly Khumalo and Longway need to be arrested until they spill the beans. Now they're using their power to sabotage the case. What a sad day for the Meyiwa family. The saps is captured, envelopes are being exchanged. We are not stupid anymore. #SenzoMeyiwatrial." One also said, "I so wish Senzo visits Kelly Khumalo every night until she tells the truth about the killer. Cause what kind of a mother doesn't want justice for her baby daddy? How does she even sleep at night looking at Senzo daughter every day?" #SenzoMeyiwatrial. Someone also said, "Why embarrass Advo Teffo by arresting him in court? Doesn't the saps know his physical address? All along he wasn't arrested, so why now? This is unnecessary drama meant to protect Kelly Khumalo, who tampered with the crime scene, from arrest. SA is corrupt to the core. Fuck. Do you believe that Kelly Khumalo has killed Senzo Meyiwa, or there's mastermind behind Senzo Meyiwa's death? Please leave a comment down below and subscribe for more news.